banding. Budjang kau pilihan, lingkad mo mahunit malawa pangatayan. Kalubaha hambuk adlaw ikaw dain
and challenge, and will always do so with a smile at the end of the day. My journey as Budjang Tawi-Tawi was not an easy path to trek. I had a lot of self-doubt. I became aware of insecurities, aware of Tawi-Tawians. We must remember to choose one another, and together we can take on any challenge the world may throw at us. I do also know that my win is a win I share with everyone, especially to the municipality of Tandubas, to our mayor, Uncle PJ Sally, to our vice mayor, cousins, and to my parents. My mother for proving the power and strength which is inherent in all women, and to my father for reminding me to enjoy life to the fullest, despite a world which is fraught with indifference, but also reminding me that it is filled with empathy and compassion. Once again, I am Eliza Sally Dalagan, your Budjang Tawi-Tawi 2024. Happy 52nd Kamahardikaan sin Tawi-Tawi, hula bang sa agama. Tawi-Tawians, magsukol ni Kam Kamemon.
All right, thank you very much, Budjang Tawi-Tawi 2024, Budjang Tandubas. Tawi-Tawi, are you still with us? Ay, hindi na natin marinig, Ma'am She. Gising pa ba ang Tawi-Tawians? All right, the result is already with us.
Tawi-Tawi, the moment we've all been waiting for has finally arrived. The announcement of winners.
Since we have top 5 finalists now on the stage, may we request the honorable mayors to also be ready. Kung pwede po, dito na tayo sa tabi ng hagdanan. And may request the 5 mayors of the top 5 finalists. Please, dito na po tayo sa tabi ng hagdan para may the mayors of the 5 finalists. Again, the mayors of the 5 finalists. And we also request our board of judges to also be with us here now for the awardings.
Our Budjang Tawi-Tawi 2025 third runner-up. Sino sa tingin nyo? Sino? You know, Ma'am She, yung ating mga spectators na pe-pressure na rin kung sino yung mananalo ngayon na Budjang Tawi-Tawi 2025.
Yes, but I bet everybody is ready to hear our third runner-up.
To award, may we request the Honorable Board Member Dayang Karsum Chumayde together with Police Colonel Kimberly Molitas to assist the awarding.
Our Budjang Tawi-Tawi 2025 third runner-up is Budjang South Ubian.
May we request the Honorable Mayor Alcaf Matba to also assist in the awardings.
Ladies and gentlemen, once again, our Budjang Tawi-Tawi third runner-up, South Ubian. Are you ready for the second runner-up? Tawi-Tawi, are you ready for the second runner-up? All right. Our Budjang Tawi-Tawi 2025 second runner-up is
Lingkad magsaya, di sa parating kumalaintan.
all right, we apologize. We have to call back again our Miss South Ubian, our Budjang South Ubian, to be on the center stage.
Ikawin babay na nisan, ikawin budyang lingkatan. Budyang kau pilihan, lingkad mo mahunit malawa pangatayan. Kalubahan buok adlaw ikaw dahin masuratan. Budyang sinpangatayan, ako kay mulan na haylan. Bang mo sadya kaingatan.
Once again, our Budjang Tawi-Tawi 2025 third runner-up is Budjang South Ubian.
Sa banding dumadlaw ikaw in pipikil, ikaw in budyang hipusin piil, budyang kau pilihan way tuod sa ban.
Let us now have our Budjang Tawi-Tawi 2025 second runner-up.
For the awarding, may we request the Honorable Board Member Irshad Abdurrahman together with our judge, Honorable Farserina A. Muhammad, to do the awarding.
Budyang sinpangatayan,
Ladies and gentlemen, our Budjang Tawi-Tawi 2025 second runner-up is candidate number 2 from Tandubas.
May we request the Honorable Mayor or Vice Mayor to please join us.
We would like to request our Budjang to please move forward.
ikaw in budyang lingkatan, Yari hapalalihan Lingkat magsahaya Biasa parati Kumalaintan Malanug impaisan
Congratulations, Budjang Tandubas.
Kandiisan Ikawin babay nanisan Ikawin bujang lingkatan Bujang kau pilihan
Tawi-Tawi, our Budjang Tawi-Tawi 2025 first runner-up is
Adlaw ikaw dahil masuratan Bujang simpangatayan Ako kay mulan na haylan
To award our first runner-up, may we request the Honorable Sabuddin Abdurrahim, Honorable Ted Masahod, our judge, Miss Chris Kate Lee Dumalanta, and of course, the first runner-up, Budjang Tawi-Tawi 2004, Miss Arijmain Namli.
Bujang kau pilihan
our Budjang Tawi-Tawi 2025 first runner-up is ladies and gentlemen, Budjang Tawi-Tawi 2025 first runner-up is Budjang si Tangkay.
Kamahardikaan Kamahardikaan
May we request the Honorable Mayor and the First Lady of the Municipality of Sitangkay.
Tawi-tawi lahat kinaulugan Hinang manusya maniya kalaatan Tampebi hindahit makakangan Hiling kulintangan ikalma tong pantan Panggento mantama lahat kaumbuan Pusa ka makaanakan pamuan
May we request now to be with us Commissioner Elmasia Madchilon, First Lady Ma'am Chum Dasali, Mr. Federico Navarro, Gov. Ismael Mangsali, and of course our Budjang Tawi-Tawi 2024.
Halina tayo'y magsama-sama Ipagdiwang natin at magkaisa Tagumpay sa pag-unlad kasama ang buong bansa Ikaw at ako, tara na, tara na
Ladies and gentlemen,
Paglamin
ang unang municipality po na babanggitin ko ay ang siyang kokoronahang Budjang Tawi-Tawi 2025.
We request our ladies to please step forward. Doon po tayo sa unahan. Sa unahan pa.
Okay, may we request our two mayors, the Turtle Islands and the Municipality of Bongao. May we request the First Lady and our Honorable Governor to be with us. Requesting other members of the Board of Judges, ma'am, join na tayo for the final photo ops na rin po ito. Mamaya na tayo mag-announce para may thrill.
Tawi-Tawi, sino po ba sa tingin ninyo ang mag-uuwi ng corona? Mag-ingay ang supporters ng Bongao!
All right. Of course, hindi rin papatalo sa ingayan ang supporters ng Turtle Islands.
Finally, may we request all other sisters of our winners, lahat po ng ating Budjang to be on the stage with us. So alam na natin, sino ang bet? Okay, cheer tayo. Sino ang bet? Ang Bongao. What about Turtle Islands? Okay! Narito na ang results!
Katahimikan po, Tawi-Tawi! Ladies and gentlemen, buong Tawi-Tawi! Our Budjang Tawi-Tawi 2025 is our Budjang Tawi-Tawi 2025 is Turtle Islands.
There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Therefore, our Budjang Tawi-Tawi Tourism 2025 is Budjang Bongao.
May we request the Honorable Vice Mayor, Faisal Jamalul, to be with us for the awardings.
Manusia mania kalaatan, tampebihing kahit makakangan.